We're doing Cioppino today. We've got onion, 1. Garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. We've got 3 celery sticks. We have got chili flakes. About 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. We've got some basil from our garden. Oregano from our garden. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We've got a can of seafood stock. And a cup and a half of white wine. What kind is it?
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc, whatever it is. And crushed tomatoes. And we did have a couple tomatoes that we had. So we're gonna get started on this. So let's go over to here. A little bit of onion. Onion goes in there first. Little onion, a little bit of garlic. Some right now. We can never go wrong with adding celery in there. Getting a little bit, see, it's getting a little brown right there. You see that?
Looking, smelling good out here. The aroma out here is
oh man,
delish.
That's smelling good. We want to cook this down a little bit, right?
You said a cup and a half?
Cup and a half. And we're gonna cook it down. Look at that. I don't want to add what? I don't want to make it too hot. We don't want it too spicy, but we want a little bit of spice. Let's add these 2.
Yeah, don't put too much. We won't be able to eat it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Let's add a little bit of this.
You can always add of that. That's always can add after it's done too.
That's right. That alcohol and burn the alcohol out of it. See that? Oh, that's how you want it right there. You want to cook that alcohol out of it. We're going to add these tomatoes. The tomatoes are going to go in next, right? Just stir this up. It was, oh man.
Look at how good that looks.
Mix that up real good. Now, we're going to add our fish stock. Or seafood stock, or... I'm going to try to get... Wow, what's in there? Let's get whatever's in there in the bottom of that. It's got all good stuff right there. All right? Now, we're going to stir this up a little bit. And we're going to cover that. And we're going to let that cook for about an hour and a half. Get ready.
There we go.
All right. All right. So this is our the seafood that's going to go in. So we have shrimp, peeled and deveined. We've got some mussels here. These are black, I believe.
Those are the mussels, yeah.
These are the mussels, and these are
the clams.
Clams, but that's what we are. Then we have halibut, and we also have. We're gonna put some crab in there. The little squares, and this is gonna. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna cut it like this. Like 1-inch little cubes. Little cube there. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, baby. That's
Looks good.
That's gonna go in there.
And this is wild caught
There we go.
halibut.
Let's put these in first.
Careful. Oh.
Sound like little rocks going in.
Yeah.
All right.
You gotta stir it a little bit.
So give a little stir. Get those under the water first. Let's get this going first. Halibut. Oh, that's gonna be good. Because the crab just gets steamed. It's already pre-cooked. Now you let that cook for a little while. All right, babe.
Ooh. Let's see this. Let me put this on the video. This. Ooh. Look at that.
All right, let's put this right here. Let's see what it tastes like here. Mmm, with a little.
Let's see. How's that? How's that fish?
Oh my god.
That fish looks like it's done.
Perfect.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, there you go. Cioppino.